Welcome back. My name is Raz and today I'm with Prachi ma'am and she has completed 1 month in American Institute. So today I asked to her that we are going to make a video in front of you guys and listen what she is doing guys and what she can do in the future. Means you can learn some things from her because she is very intelligent student in American Institute. So I'm going to start guys and please watch the video. So
I'm good, sir. And you?
I'm very good. So and how's life?
Yes, sir, it's going very good.
So first of all, tell me how many days have you completed in American Institute?
I have been completed 1 month in American Institute.
And how many students are there in your batch?
So there are 6 to 7 students in my batch.
Six. Okay, that's very nice. So evening time,
So I'm coming in morning time.
you got your LMC card?
No, sir, I don't got my LMC card.
I did. Okay. So tell me, like you are from giant family or nuclear family?
So I'm from nuclear family.
You like to live in nuclear family?
I also like a joint family, sir, but my family is nuclear, so what's my problem?
Okay, tell me the two benefits if you are the part of joint family.
Sir, there are so many benefits if I am in joint family, sir, because in joint family,
You want to be?
sir, I want to be an officer.
You want to be an officer, right? What type of officer?
Yes, sir, ASO officer.
Okay. So what are you doing for that? Are you preparing for?
Yes, I am preparing for it.
Okay. Are you taking online classes or offline classes for it?
So firstly, I took offline classes, but now I am taking online class.
Okay. What is the difference between offline and online, according to you?
So there are some differences. If you are taking offline class, there are so many students. If you are going daily for online classes, you learn so many things from other students. You learn there are so many competitors in CGL exams because I am preparing for it. In online classes, you only sit in one room and only prepare for it. So my favorite subject is maths.
Maths, nice. So you teach to the student?
No, sir, I didn't teach students.
You don't teach. Okay. So at what time do you come to American?
So I come to American at 7 o'clock.
Okay. What is the difference between this Prachi and that Prachi? After coming here, what did you learn from American Institute?
So there are so many differences because today I speak English very fluently and I gain so much confidence.
It's very nice. So actually, after going from here, from American Institute, what's your next plan? Where will you apply this English?
So I applied in English in so many sectors. When I apply English, when someone is speaking with me in English and in my interview.
Okay, very nice.
Yes, sir.
In your family, who speaks English?
So in my family, I speak English.
You.
No, sir. My parents also literate, so they also speak English.
Okay, that's very nice. So who's much educated, your father or mother?
So my father is more educated.
Okay. So does he talk to you in English or Hindi?
No, sir. He talks to me in Hindi, but sometimes he talks to me in English.
Okay, that's nice. When he gets angry, what does he do? Does he beat you?
No, sir. He didn't beat me, sir. When he is angry, he only shouting.
Okay, on you.
Yes, sir. On me.
What game do you like the most?
So I like mostly outdoor games like badminton, kho-kho, kabaddi. Yes.
Still do you play this type of games?
Yes, sir. Still I am playing.
All right. So you go somewhere for playing it?
No, sir. In my neighbor.
Oh my god. That's very nice. Who is your favorite friend?
So my favorite friend is living in front of my home.
Okay.
Her name is Sumbul.
Komal.
Sumbul.
Sumbul.
Yes, sir.
What's her name? Like it's too complicated to pronounce.
So she is also complicated, sir.
Okay, what's she doing?
So she is doing BBA.
To let her join to American Institute, no?
So she want to join, but now she is doing a job.
Okay. Where in Lucknow?
No, sir, in Barabanki.
In Barabanki.
Yes, sir.
Acha, what is the opportunity for the girls in Barabanki? Can you tell? Like they can get a job here?
Yes, sir. They can get a job here, sir. There are so many banks like SGFC, and I think she can work here.
No, I'm talking about the girls, not particular one girl. They.
Sir, girls, sir, there's also so many opportunities, sir.
What kind of opportunity I'm asking to you? No, like you are saying, you are saying that about bank, any other sector?
Teaching sector, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. In marketing, sir, in any particular companies like Samsung, वगैरह. Yes, sir.
वगैरह like.
Samsung, वगैरह, sir. In Samsung, sir, my friend is doing a job in Samsung, sir. She attend a call and she attend a call.
So what is the like? Have you ever visited Ayodhya?
Yes, sir. I have visited Ayodhya.
What is the difference between Ayodhya and Barabanki?
Sir, Ayodhya is very clean, sir. It is very. I think, sir, there's a word sukoon. Sir, in Ayodhya I find sukoon.
Guys, if you want to sukoon like saying that, so please visit Ayodhya because it's a birthplace of Lord Rama.
Yes, sir.
So obviously it's a temple which is very pious and a holy place, and a lot of the people they go there for visiting, and they are just visiting to Hanuman temple and the Lord Rama as well. So please visit there and then enjoy in Ayodhya, guys. Okay. So yes, Prachi ma'am. Are you devotees of any god like particular?
No, sir, I'm not a devotee of any particular god.
Okay. So who's like, are you big fan of someone?
I am big fan of my father, sir.
Your father. Suppose your father is watching your video, suppose, right? And what do you want to say about your father? Suppose he is sitting in front of you.
I think, sir, there is no world which I can offer my father because he is everything for me, sir. I think there is not a single word, sir, I explain for him.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What does he do for you?
What, sir?
What does he do for you?
Sir, he does so many things, sir, for me. So firstly, he educate me, sir. He always told me what you want, you can do. I always with you.
He gets you freedom to do like education and other sectors. Means you are free to do anything in your life.
Yes, sir, I am free to do anything in my life.
That's very nice. So actually, you are not taking advantage of your father leniency, like.
No, sir, I am not taking advantage, sir.
That's very nice. Okay, who's very close to you in your family?
So everybody is close to me because I am very younger in my family, sir. So everybody loves me a lot.
You know how to ride a scooty?
Yes, sir, I know.
What is your maximum speed to ride a scooty?
So it's 70, 80.
My God, think about guys. Actually, the speed is 70 above, and the scooty. I got surprised. Really?
Yes, sir. Actually, I went Ayodhya on Sunday and I ride my scooty on 70, 80 at that time.
Oh my God. Who was with you?
So my brother is with me.
He was scared or not?
No, sir, I'm not scared. But my brother is scared a lot.
Ah, that's why he was scared about it. How you were riding a scooty? Okay. So how long did you take to go to Ayodhya?
Sir, it's 1.5 clock.
Okay, 1.5 hours.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Means 1.5 घंटा Lucknow. Sorry, Ayodhya.
Barabanki to Ayodhya.
Oh my God. And at what time did you come from there?
Sir, I come around 2 o'clock.
And you went from here?
Sir, actually I went here from 6 o'clock in the morning and I reached Ayodhya around 7:30.
It is 100 kilometer from here, no?
Yes, sir.
By scooty you went?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I am surprised. How you do all the things, ma'am? Like it's very complicated for the girls especially, and they are you are going to Ayodhya from Barabanki. It's a very challenging for me actually. Once I went there, it was a seminar in Ayodhya, American. So I went by bike. I was tired after going from here. And how you do all?
Sir, everybody said I am very courageous girl.
Oh, yeah, no doubt. Actually, you have all the things. You have that potential to ride a scooty. Oh my God. So, ma'am, what sort of job do you want in your life?
Sir, I told you, sir, I want to become an officer, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Before when I start the videos, right? What do you want to say about them, those who are learning English and they are coming to American Institute? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
American is a very good institute You learn so many things from there. You gain confidence. You earn confidence. Speak English fluently if you come American. American gives you so many things. It raises your confidence and it gives you fluent English. क्या था सर?
Me, there is a person and is very famous personality in American Institute, especially when you go and visit any city. So you see the P. Lamba. He is a founder of American Institute. So please, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll meet you with the next video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.